What's up? This is Richie and Jamie from the Where We Wild YouTube channel. Today we got some great outdoor gifts for you guys that you can grab on Amazon, and they're all under $50. Let's get into it. All right, to start us off here, I think every outdoor enthusiast needs to have a knife on them. Whether they're fishing, hiking, camping, you need a blade on you. And for around $10, I think these are, you really can't beat it. This is a knife that I love by Tac Force. Very, very cheap, but I beat the heck out of them and they've done great. I have them in two colors because I have problems. One is in black, which is really cool, spring assisted, very cool knife. And the other one, same knife, in camo. You can see how fast the spring assist is. That's really important to guys who are into knives, I know. But yeah, these are great, man. Really, really cool. They're very light also for what they are. I love that because when you're, you got something in your pocket and you're hiking or, whatever, fishing, you don't want like this huge heavy knife on you. So It's really nice to have something super, super light. We've done all kinds of stuff with this, from cooking to all kinds of stuff.
Yeah, that camo one has been
that's been through it, right?
Oh, yeah.
And you just keep them sharp, man, and they're going to last you a while. Keep them clean, keep them sharp, keep them rust-free. They're going to last you, man. And speaking of keeping knives sharp, the next thing on our list to go with that knife is this awesome sharpener right here. It's called a Work Sharp Field Sharpener or something like that, but it is legit, man. When you're done sharpening your knives with this thing, you can shave with them. Like, it is ridiculous. Very professional quality. Has a whole system that you kind of have to read the directions when you get it and figure out the exact way to do it step by step. There's like 5 different stations on this one thing that makes your knife ridiculously sharp. So that's a great gift.
Great gift.
Yeah, keep your knife sharp, and if you want a little stocking stuffer, whatever, $10 knife, and then this runs around $40 maybe, so it's a little more expensive, but definitely a great gift.
2 gifts still under $50.
That's true.
That's great.
Both of them together under $50. So that's awesome, man. I'd be stoked to get either one of these.
Yeah.
For sure. Very cool. Next up on our list, a must-have for any outdoor adventurer, a headlamp. These are great, man. These are from Gearlight. We've had them forever. They've lasted a really long time. Under $20 for 2 of them.
Can't beat it.
Yeah, that's pretty sweet, man. It comes in, low beam, high beam, white light switches over to red light, which is great if you're just trying to kind of get around your campsite, don't want to disturb anyone. That red light is just perfect for that. It has some SOS and strobe signaling, which is great if you get into trouble, you need to get someone's attention. That's awesome to have. But for 20 bucks, man, we use these things all the time, fishing, hiking, camping. And my favorite part about it is you can angle it down to whatever you're doing. It just
so nice.
One little click at a time, you can just kind of dial into whatever you're focused on. So that is a great, great gift. Stocking stuffer, whatever you want. 2-pack for 20 bucks? You gotta be kidding me.
If you're going to give that, I'd recommend buying a pack of AAA batteries to go with it.
Yeah,
they run on AAA, so just round out the gift for 30 bucks.
Yeah, that's pretty sweet.
Yeah.
And that thing doesn't even run on batteries. You can just charge it.
This is a beanie and headlamp.
That's awesome.
Kind of fun. So it'll keep you warm and you've got the light there. It's rechargeable, and if you want to wash your beanie, you just take the light right out. Throw this in the wash, you're good to go.
This thing, you just pull it out, slip this little cover off, and you can plug it right into a USB to charge it up. So cool, man. Just really, really clever.
Yeah.
Really. And you can get them in a bunch of different colors. I think they're like around $20 or less. Someone gave me that one, so it's kind of like a crazy color, but it's fun.
Give them the gift of light.
Yeah, there you go. You gotta see. You gotta see out there. Very useful.
Another great gift idea, a backpacking stove. I think you've seen this in almost every video of ours. This is probably our most prized possession, and it was under $15.
Yeah,
we bring it
like 10 bucks.
Yeah, we bring it everywhere. I mean, for 10, 15 bucks, you really can't go wrong. Nice and compact. You just unfold this whole thing, and then you've got fire for purified water, food, coffee, anything you need.
Anywhere you go.
Anywhere you go.
And after you boil up some water with that little backpacking stove, you can make some coffee. And this thing is pretty awesome to do it. This is called an AeroPress. You might have heard of it before. We've recently started playing with this a couple months ago, and we've been very impressed by it. It makes a great great cup of coffee, and it's very easy to travel with in the outdoors. This and the French press have been our go-to, but this thing is really sweet, man. Super light, can take it anywhere, and it's gonna produce a really high quality cup of coffee. Now this thing, 40 bucks?
Yeah, around there.
Around $40, and it definitely comes with a bunch of filters, but you need to replace those, and they're like 10 bucks or something for like a replacement or something at some point. But grab somebody an AeroPress, they're gonna be blown away. I promise you.
Absolutely.
Very good gift.
And to put that coffee into, grab them a Yeti.
Yeah.
Yeti tumbler.
When I go fishing, okay, if it's not around coffee time, but I know when I'm done fishing that it is gonna be my coffee time, I'll bring this along with me and keep it in the car, and I'll fish for 4 or 5 hours, come back, and the coffee's still hot. It's awesome, man. Yeti is Yeti. I mean, they're one of the best. When you're giving someone that gift, that is like extreme high-end quality, and for what, probably around $40 as well, like the AeroPress, but man, that thing is quality.
Yeah.
Like, I mean, to have that drink stay hot, to have that coffee stay hot for 4, 5, 6 hours plus.
It's true.
That's awesome, man. That's
true.
awesome. Nothing else does that. You can't bring a cup of coffee somewhere and just a normal thing. Like, you got to drink it right away. But to bring it and be able to save it is just awesome. The next thing we want to talk about here is huge. When you're heading out to the outdoors, you need a backpack. Now, obviously, you need some legit big time backpacks, but we've come across this thing a year or two ago. It's called a Venture Pal. I think it's like a 35 liter?
I think so.
Something like that, but it's around $20, $25, and it fits in this tiny little pouch, and it just unzips and becomes a little backpack for you. This thing is really great. I mean, it's a thinner material, so you're not gonna go crazy with it, but if you just need a little day hike pack, something like that, going fishing real fast, whatever, you don't need to carry like all your usual kind of gear, and you just want to travel really light, this thing's awesome. I mean, I've used this on a few trips and it's great. It's got a whole bunch of different compartments, has the bottle holders on each side, which is absolutely huge. It's got a little chest strap. I mean, you can't really beat that. And to just fold it away and make it disappear.
Yeah.
Like you can bring it on trips and, you know, bring it camping, and then it's like, we're gonna go on a day hike tomorrow.
Yeah.
Let me just grab a couple little things, my phone, a water bottle, maybe the sweatshirt, you know.
A couple snacks.
Couple little, exactly.
Yeah.
Those things are great, man. So definitely check those out. That's a great gift to give someone, man. A packable backpack, great gift.
And speaking of carrying stuff, the next thing we want to recommend is this Marchway dry bag. This thing is awesome. This will keep your stuff super dry, completely waterproof. This thing is $25 or maybe even under $25. It has 32,000 reviews on Amazon.
It's good.
And it's like a 4.8 rating, I think. The thing is awesome. We love it. We've used it on the boat. We've used it when we know we might hit rain. It's great.
Yeah, it comes on to downpour, man, and your stuff is in that, you're good.
I also do love that it's got these straps that you can turn into a backpack. So you can literally just throw your stuff in here and take it as a backpack if you want, and you don't have to worry about anything.
Yeah, it comes in a bunch of different sizes, different colors, a lot of like emergency colors, you know, like that bright orange, yellow, red, whatever. So you can find things like easy, but those things are really great to have. Next up, we have a camping pillow, which is priceless. We love these things. These are by Trekology. They're around $20 or less, depending on when you grab them. The price changes obviously on all this stuff, up and down, but for around $20 or less, having a camping pillow is absolutely huge. I've mentioned this thing in so many videos at this point. This is actually the newer version that comes with like this nice soft pillowcase that you can take off and wash.
Yeah.
But we love these things, man. You just blow them up, 2 seconds, couple breaths, you're ready to roll. You got a pillow, whether you're just trying to sleep camping or you're trying to rest somewhere, you can sit on them, use it as a backrest to give you some lumbar support. You can get real creative with these things. They're great to have, and you can see how small that is to travel with. So great gift, man. Great gift.
And speaking of inflatable things and I guess furniture.
This is crazy.
We have an inflatable couch that surprisingly has been so fun to bring. You don't realize when you're camping that like you don't have like a couch to sit on, right? Like you just have your camping chairs, or you're laying down, or you're on this uncomfortable bench. This thing is so comfortable and nice. This is as big as it is in the bag, which is nice, so it doesn't take up much room at all. But
I'll slip in some footage of what it looks like when we were chilling on it in the
Yeah.
middle of a campground somewhere in the middle of the woods.
Yeah.
That was awesome. But what I also want to mention is you're not sitting there and
right.
for 8 years.
Yeah.
You just kind of open it up like the dry bag. Very similar the way that hooks together actually.
Yep.
And you just kind of whip it through the wind a couple times. It works great on a beach when it's like super, super windy. But you just kind of catch the air and then seal it off real fast and it just fills up. Yeah, we were hanging out on that thing a few times.
Yeah, and for somebody as tall as him, you're 6'2", 6'3",
6'3".
he fit, and it was pretty
It's not
comfortable.
bad. It's not bad. And
Yeah.
they're pretty durable. You know, we threw
Yeah.
it on the ground on a, rocky terrain, beach, wherever, with sticks and twigs laying around,
Yeah.
and it didn't pop or anything. So
It's a great alternative to a hammock too.
Yeah.
People.
kind of feels like a hammock.
Yeah, if you don't want to have to set up a hammock,
Yeah.
this is a good alternative.
It's kind of silly and like funny, but it works.
Absolutely.
So, yeah, it's cool.
I think this is about $40 on Amazon. Just makes a great gift.
Yeah.
We got it as a gift.
Yeah.
And
We thought it was a joke at first.
Yeah.
But when we used it, we thought it was really, really cool.
Yeah.
I'll never forget just sitting there, just chilling, staring up at the beautiful area we
it
were
was
at.
so nice.
Yeah, it's cool, man. It's really fun to have. Check that out. It comes in a bunch of colors. Really cool. Outdoor couch. That was fun.
It was. The next gift on our list is for the camp cook in your life, and that is cast iron.
That's it, man.
That's it.
That's the way to go. That's it.
You can cook every meal in the outdoors on a cast iron.
You can pretty much cook every meal you need at home
That's true.
on a cast iron. They're the best,
They
man. You just keep them clean. They last forever. Season them right. Take care of them. They last forever.
Yep. And they're so tough. They can withstand such high heat.
Right on the
You
fire.
can put them right on that campfire and not have to worry about them.
Yeah, there's really not much else to say about that. Like,
No.
that is the way to cook in the outdoors. Bacon sizzling up, like, first thing in the morning. Like, oh, man.
So good.
Bacon, eggs, steaks. We've done it all in the cast iron.
We
dude.
really have.
The
Yeah.
griddle's fun, too.
The griddle's really fun. The griddle, I believe, is around $35, $40, but you can get a cast iron skillet for about $20.
Yeah, different sizes and
Yep.
stuff, but that's a cool gift. A great stocking stuffer could be a pair of socks.
There you go.
And these are darn tough. Darn tough socks, man. Anyone who is in the outdoor world knows about darn tough socks. They are a favorite among hikers and fishermen and anybody in the outdoors. They really are tough, man. They last a really long time. Very, very comfortable. Wool is, this is kind of top of the line stuff, darn tough.
Yeah.
They're pretty much some of the best socks that you can buy. So as long as you know the person's shoe size, if it's a family member, a son or husband or whatever.
They wash well, too.
They do.
Which I think is important. I feel like a lot of people will just put something in the washer dryer that they spent a lot of money on, and then all of a sudden the sock is like
Yeah.
this big. Like these
I was
are,
worried about that
Yeah.
when I first got them, yeah.
Yeah, they're not super high maintenance, which is really nice.
They are a little more expensive. I mean, they're around, I think, $20, $25 for one pair. So it is a little pricey, but it's a really high quality. I mean, you kind of get what you pay for when it comes
Absolutely.
to stuff like that.
Yeah.
So, if you know anyone that needs a good pair of socks for the outdoors, they're darn tough, boy. Good stuff. And last but certainly not least, one of my personal favorite addictions, Casio watches. Very cool, man. They make a bunch for the outdoors. This one in particular is for fishing. It tracks the moon phases, which is so cool, man. I also am wearing one that is a compass, has a compass. The fishing watch is around $20. All right, 20, 25 bucks. That's why I love Casio, man. They make the best beaters on planet Earth, and they're so cool. In a day and age where everyone's got an Apple Watch on, something crazy, I think having a Casio is just cool.
Well, they're so classic.
They're just cool.
They've been around forever. They've got great functionality. The batteries last forever.
Yeah, 10-year battery on this thing, by the way. $20, $25, you're getting a 10-year battery.
Yeah, it's
Very cool.
it's just a great watch. And if you know specifically that you're shopping for a fisherman, they're going to be stoked to get something like that.
Yeah, and then this one has the compass, so you're into hiking, whatever. That could save your life at some
Absolutely.
point. And they're accurate too, man. That's what blows me away about Casio. I mean, you can go nuts and you can get Pro Treks and crazy G-Shocks and sick stuff, $200, $300, whatever. But for this one's $40-ish, the Compass one, the fishing one, $20-25, and that's a ridiculously cool gift for not a lot of money. I actually got my cousin that exact fishing watch, and he was like stoked. He loves it. You give someone a watch, and they're like, whoa.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Absolutely.
Like, and you don't have to break the bank to do it either. So
Exactly.
Great gift, fishermen, hiking, camping, whatever you're into in the outdoors. So those are some great gift ideas for the outdoor adventurer in your life. We will put a special gift ideas list in our Amazon store for you. So you can just click the link in the video description, go right there, check it out, and you won't have to search around or anything. It'll all be right there. Everything we mentioned, including some stuff that maybe we didn't mention. I got some new ideas sparked as we made this video. So we'll link a bunch of cool stuff in there for you. And yeah, hopefully it makes your shopping a little easier for Christmas or a birthday or whatever you're looking to buy a gift for someone that loves the outdoors like we do.
Yeah.
So there you go. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to drop a like. And if you're into this sort of thing, don't forget to hit subscribe. We put a new video out every single week. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Later. If you want to see more videos just like this one, be sure to check out the rest of the Where We Wild YouTube channel, where we post a brand new video every week. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notified whenever we post a new adventure. Thanks for watching. See ya.